This is Calculus, Topic 5, Homework, Problems 22, 23, and 24. Okay, we need to take the antiderivative of this function here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a half power on this. Let's move this 15 to the outside. And this becomes negative x squared plus 4 all to the 1/2 power. So now things are in terms of powers. Next, I'm going to make a substitution of this negative x squared plus 4 into u. That means du is going to equal negative 2x times dx. Now, what's missing here, we have a dx and an x, dx and an x, but we don't have the negative 2. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to include the negative 2 on the inside, and then a negative 2 on the inside and a negative 1/2 on the outside. That means that this portion here, that's your u, and this portion right here, that's your du. Okay, it matches here. So what we have is a negative 15 over 2 and a u to the 1/2 power du, because the negative 2x and the dx have all become du, and this whole piece right here has become u. Now when I take the antiderivative of this becomes u, add 1 to the exponent, we get 3/2, and then reciprocal of 3/2 is 2/3. Okay, and then plus c. So when we combine all this, we'll end up with, the 2's cancel out, and the 3 goes into negative 15 about negative 5 times, and the u becomes, negative x squared plus 4 all to the 3/2 power plus c, and we can make that into a, we can leave that there, so that'll be good enough. Okay, number 23. Number 23 has the same nature. We have a 9 here, and a x plus 1, and an e to the negative x squared plus 2x, and that's all dx. Okay, we're going to move the 9 to the outside, and we're also going to distribute this negative here. So we have negative x squared minus 2x. And don't forget the dx. Okay, so u is going to be represented by negative x squared minus 2x. Du can be represented by negative 2x minus 2. Now if I factor out that negative 2 there, times dx, du becomes negative 2 times x plus 1 dx. And then begins to look like this one, only short of the negative 2. So I'm going to put a negative 2 here and a negative 1/2 there, which is a reciprocal. Now, all of this right here becomes du. So we get a negative 9/2, the integral of e to the u du. And the antiderivative of e to the u is e to the u plus c. So we return all this back to the original. So 9 over 2, e, and the u becomes the negative parentheses x squared plus 2x, all closed, plus c. All right, let's take a look at number 24. Number 24, we have, turn the page here. We have the integral of 7 2x minus 9 and e to the power of 2x squared minus 18x dx. Okay, first of all, we're going to set this up equal to u. So And I'll pull out that 7 in the next step after this. So u will represent 2x squared minus 18x. That means du is going to equal 4x minus 18 all times dx. And I can factor out a 2 out of this, so du equals 2 times 2x minus 9 all dx. So we actually need a 2 there. So I'm going to pull the 7 out. 7 is out. And we have our 2x minus 9 e to the power of 2x squared minus 18x dx. And since we need a 2 here, let's put a 2 there and a 1/2 outside. So what we end up having is when we replace, we have still have a 7/2 in the integral, but the 2x minus 9 dx all become du, and the e to all this becomes e to the u. Alright, so the antiderivative of e to the u is e to the u plus c. And so finally we have 7 over 2, and the u goes back to the 2x squared minus 18x all plus c.